Hello students, here in this video we are going to learn the problems from the chapter the Newton's laws of force. Okay ma? In the previous videos we discussed about the chapter. So by the last video of this chapter we finished the total chapter. Now we are going to learn the problems. The problems are in 36th page of textbook. So get the textbook once please and start. A force, first problem. A force acts for 0.2 seconds on an object having mass 1.4 kg initially at rest. The force stops to act, but the object moves through 4 meters in the next 2 seconds. Find the magnitude of the force. See here, an object is there. On that object, for 0.2 seconds, the weight of mass of the object is 1.4 kg, and force acting on that object for 0.2 seconds is at rest. Initially the body is at rest. So see here, mass of the body is equals to how much? 1.4 kg, and time is equals to time t is equals to 0.2 seconds, and initially the body is at rest, so initial velocity is 0. Now what he is asking to find, stops to act but the object moves through 4 minutes in the next 2 seconds. 4 minutes in the next 2 seconds. So initially for 0.2 seconds it was at rest. Initial velocity is 0. After next 2 seconds of time, four meters in the next 2 seconds. Sorry, 4 meters. So it traveled 4 meters of distance. Okay, number. Now we have to solve this problem. Distance d equals to 4 meters. So to find out this, first of all we have to know acceleration of the body. What is the acceleration of the body? Before that we have to know final velocity. U equals to 0. Initially the body is at rest, but final velocity, the velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. How much distance it can travel? 4 minutes. But in how much time? 2 seconds of time. So 4 meters by 2 seconds. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 meters per second. This is final velocity of the body. Okay, Namma? So now we could find the acceleration of the body. Acceleration is what? The rate of change of velocity, means v minus u by t. V is 2 minus u is 0 by t is how much? Sorry, t is how much, ma? 0.2. T is 0.2. Okay, so 2 by 2 minus 0, 2 by 0.2, 2 by 10. So 2 into 10 by 2, 2 will get cancelled. 10 meters per second square. 10 meters per second square. Finally, what we have to find the magnitude of the force. We have to find out the magnitude of the force. F is equals to MA. M is what? 1.4 into A is 10 meters per second square. 1.4 means 14 by 10 into 10. 10 will get cancelled, that is 14 newtons of force is acting on the body. 14 newtons of force is acting on that body. Understand? So we shall go for the next problem.